Question number 7. So question number 7 wants us to rearrange this equation to solve for the velocity v. Alright? So the aim is to get v all by itself. Alright? So the first thing we want to do, guys, is that we don't like fractions. Okay? So we want to always get rid of every fraction anytime we see it. Okay? So to get rid of a fraction, you would multiply by the denominator. So again, I would multiply by 2. So I'll multiply this term by 2 and all of this by 2 because they're all attached together. Okay? So 2 multiplied by e is 2e. When you multiply by something that you were already dividing by, it cancels it out and I'm left with 1m, which is the same as m. Alright? And the v squared, I would bring it down. Okay? So now I need to get v all by itself. Okay? So to get v all by itself, I need to get rid of the m and the squared. But I'm going to start by getting rid of the m first. So how do we break up a multiply? You divide. So I'll divide by m, divide by m. So now I have 2e over m is equal to, so when you divide by something you're multiplying by, it cancels it out and you're left with v squared. So now I need to get rid of the squared. To get rid of a squared, the opposite of squared is square root. So I'm going to take the square root, and if I do it on one side, I have to do the same thing on the other side. Alright? The square root cancels out the square, so they cancel each other out. Okay? And now I have v all by itself. So my answer would be v is equal to the square root of 2e over m. Alright? And guys, this question is pretty difficult, so make sure you guys do as much practice on this one as you can.